Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL K13 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner, and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match, and enable this function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay, now we know it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.